Welcome to the third of HONOR Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box, and the first here, this is the place for our HONOR device. Sure. Also we can see here the silicone protective case and in clear color here in my case. The next thing, this is the SIM eject tool and the warranty card and the quick start guide of our HONOR device. And also we can find here the USB Type-C cable and the HONOR original supercharger brick with all of the specs. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.